RINE-METAL is a German defense company with a sprawling fleet of vehicles and software-hardware solutions for mission-critical tasks. Headquartered in Germany, they recently gained a presence in Sterling Heights, Michigan as American Rheinmetall Vehicles to foster their relationships with U.S. companies like Raytheon, Textron, and L3Harris. Their Lynx KF41 Infantry Fighting Vehicle is in the running to replace the Bradley Infantry Fighting Vehicle in a new, optionally manned fighting vehicle program from the U.S. Army. RINE-METAL doesn't currently have any of its vehicles in U.S. fleets, but it is working diligently to disrupt the domination of its competition of General Dynamics and BAE systems. Their new facility marks a strong interest in creating jobs in America, and it positions them well to deliver results faster than they had before. So be on the lookout for this possible new wave of high-end military vehicles, etc.